Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is XXP. It's a XX platform. So guys, XX platform is a system that combines a multi-functional cabinet with investment elements, and also it is a trading services with a set of analytical tools and also an asset management program. So guys, you can also see that you can easily buy the XXP coin. Like just click on the buy XXP option and the next page will be open like this. So guys, you can buy the XXP coin easily. Just click on the how to buy and you will directly come here. So just enter the XXP amount and select the purchase type. Then after that, click the link, go to Coinbase services, and after that enter the personal data and select the payment option. So select the payment option and then carry out the payment with the state bank details. And after that guys, just wait for payment confirmation, and at the last you will see the message of congratulations, you have become the owner of the XXP cryptocurrency. So guys, this is the cryptocurrency or pyramid. So in the cryptocurrency, it's real digital assets, coins or tokens with blockchain, get in asset, final emission, asset decentralization, lack of referral schemes, open communication, transparency, technology inside. But in the pyramid, has no real assets, other an internal unit of account or a promise. Get a promise, constant fee and sales, everything is controlled by the organizer, multi-level referral program, lack of common chats, non-transparency, marketing and promises. So guys, in the advantages of the XXP cryptocurrency, so it is a safely, so in the safely purchase insurance system with 100% refund, and it's a decentralization. So XXP official token in the Ethereum network, all transactions are recorded on the blockchain. And guys, also it's a relevance, in a relevance, XXP was created in the crypto investment market to solve the problems of traditional investment. It is also high profitability, it's a halving and helix and control. So in the guys, in the control, you possesses a real token which you can transfer whenever and to anyone you want. So guys, in the tokenomics of the XXP, so almost 3 crore 60 lakhs XXP tokens are intended to pay rewards to investor in the form of interest rates from stacking. And guys, also almost 50 lakhs XXP tokens fund of the development team is in a frozen state. Almost 45 lakhs XXP tokens, which is main operational wallet to pay the expenses for the project functions and promotions. So guys, it's almost 9%, and almost 20 lakhs XXP tokens are for pre ICO and ICO stages, and 20 lakh XXP tokens for the marketing fund for promoting and scaling the projects. And guys, it's almost 5 lakhs tokens fund for holding promotion, bounty campaign, contests, quizzes and also for the other events. So guys, the total emission of the XXP cryptocurrency is 5 crore tokens will be distributed on different 8 special system wallets. So guys, this is the roadmap of the XXP platform, the Q4 2020, and some marketing activities in social media and on crypto form. It's a ERC20 smart contract publication on Ethereum network. Start to the XXP token pre-sale alpha version of the investment platform, and also the XX delegate system activation. So this is the Q1 guys, and you can also see the Q1 in Q1 2021 official website presentation, and also you can read about more in the Q1 about the XXP project. So it's Q2, and also you can see the Q3, 4, and also it's a Q1 which is goes to 2022 fifth stage of the trading platform development, deflationary mechanism activation. So guys, this is the founder the statement of the XXP coins. Trading and investment are trading today. So guys, you can also read more about this here. And guys, now we are here in the XXP team. The project is being created involving an international team, so you can also read more about here. So this is the guys rounds of sale. This is a pre-sale almost $1, and these are the coins almost 7,50,000 XXP coins, which is completed almost, and it's a pre-sale round one. So guys, this is the ICO started, almost 15% is completed, and the value of one XXP coin is almost $1, and it's almost 12,50,000 XXP coins are in the ICO. So guys, this is the delegates, and also this is the type 1 commission size. It's a contract duration is almost 6 months, and the commission size is almost from 1% to 10%. Deposit defrost is almost 25% every 6 months. Participation in conferences, meetups is almost yes, and automatic renewal is almost active. Participation in voting is no. It's now in a type 2. So in the type 2 is the commission size almost from 1% to 10%, and also deposit defrost is almost 33%, but in the type 1 it's almost 25%, and it's a 6 months, and in the type 2 it's almost 12 months. Contract duration is almost 12 months, and in type 1 it's almost 6 months. So guys, participation in conference meetups is also yes. Automatic renewal is active. Participation in voting is also yes. So guys, this is the mass media of the XXP coins, and these are social links. You can also contact with them. This is a white paper, and this is a web wallet of the XXP platform. I hope you will like the video, and if you have any type of question, then you ask from me in the comments about the XXP coin. And guys, it's all the best development in one cryptocurrency, so you can also more read here. This is the video of the XXP platform, so you can also watch the video, and you will know more about the XXP coins. See you, bye bye.